Yeah, you can tell, like, you just moved it, it cracked, and then whoop. I guess I'm more nervous now that I'm having a girl. We're having a girl.
Push up.
You know? Because, like, I guess, like, as a man, you know, it's all
God gives
men
daughters to punish them for the crimes of their youth.
And you know, man, I have to come to terms with that. Just because I feel like we automatically start shooting into the future, you know, like...
Well, you do.
You know, like, worrying about, like, 7, 8 years old, you know, like, a girl, like, oh my God, like... But...
Never mind that. What about her teen years?
Her let's not even go into that, dog. I'm here trying to de-stress. Oh, just my body goes numb.
In a good way.
Mm-hmm. Oh, in a super good way. Oh.
I can feel how hot you got off that one. I'm gonna let you zone out, okay?
Thank you, Doc.
You got warm.
Yeah. I feel like... Oh.
Head right again for me. Going push. And then head left. Going push. Okay. Brian, sit for me. That over the table. Put your legs over it. Of course. Hand behind your neck. Go run and jog and bounce for me.
Okay.
See how everything's working.
I like how you, like, insert, how you know things, you know? How you go to things before, like if, like, I'm like, all right, let me tell Doc to head up my shoulder because my shoulder's bothering me, and then I, like, on my way here, I forget we're doing things, and then on the way you're hitting on my shoulder, I'm like, oh, I have to tell Doc to hit on my shoulder. There you go, man. Read my mind, man. Amazing.
Brother.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.